Okay, this is a short video of number 62 Clements Close in Spencer's Wood. A very nicely presented 3-bedroom mid-terraced home. Okay, walking in through the entrance hall, I've got WC to my right hand side. Hallway straight ahead with door into living space, although not currently used. You'll see that when we get into the lounge. Stairs obviously off to my left. Door to my right into a nice size open plan kitchen with lounge beyond. So we've got window to front. Lots of storage units. Built-in 5-ring gas hob with oven below, and you can see across then into the lounge with garden beyond. Space for a nice big fridge freezer as well. So it certainly gives this modern feel with the open plan arrangement. We're now into the living space. So as you can see, they're not currently using the door into the lounge, but you could easily move things around to suit your own needs. Wood effect flooring, so nice easy maintenance. And obviously back to the kitchen, you've got the breakfast bar dining area. 3 stools comfortably there. Okay, so on the first floor, first of the 2 double bedrooms, good sized room with large window to front. You'll note there's a large wardrobe here on my left hand side, so a really good recess there to provide plenty of storage. To my left, the family bathroom. So we've got L-shaped bath, wash basin and WC storage below. And then at the rear of the property, a good sized single, as you can see, single bed, wardrobe and drawers, so plenty of space in there. And then the second of the double rooms, which again on my right hand side, large recess, currently with a nice big wardrobe, so lots of storage capacity. And view out the back across the garden, and you'll see there's fields beyond. Okay, so the rear garden is laid to artificial grass, so nice easy maintenance. And you'll see the cabin or home office towards the end of the garden. So the cabin, you'll see you've got a large workspace here. They've got it set up both for sort of a treatment area, I suppose, but also a desk and workspace. There's a sort of wood laminate effect flooring. It's insulated, there's power, there's heating out here. Really useful room. And a view back out into the garden and to the house.